Salem, getting ready to take the Mega Deuce down the track. 1993 Harsco m923a2. Yeah, that's military jargon for big old truck. Running an 8.3-liter Cummins, 5-speed Allison transmission, 237 horsepower with a gear ratio that'll scare you to death. I got a feeling we're going to see that sled quite a ways down the track.
Is it playing all-wheel drive? Why not, right?
Exactly.
No. Oh, you're doing it with the camera?
Getting ready to hook up in the Power Chevrolet lane, Matt Dunbar. 1996 Dodge Cummins 2500. Brought to you by Monitor Inn and Riggs Custom and Friends. 5.9-liter Cummins, 6-speed transmission. Says he uses it every day. Loves his truck. Built it from the ground up. Let's see what happens. It's the leading cause of death where I come from. Let's see what happens. Go a little bit further south. Leading cause of death is hold my beer and watch this. All right, here we go, Matt Dunbar. Building the boost. Ooh, pick the tall gear. Let's see if we can get the air and fuel to mix together. It looks pretty good. Not too bad. Traction became an issue more than the horsepower. 243 and 10, 243 and 10 for Matt Dunbar. And look out, here comes the Mega Deuce. Oh yeah. Mega Deuce is like, what in the heck did they hook on to me? It's trying to slow me down, but I don't care. Still going. He's getting ready to merge onto the highway. We're over 400 feet now.